Vietnam's hands, the earth takes shape, from village flames to a peaceful place. Each part a story, rich and deep, 1,000 years in curves we keep.
More than clay, it's heritage, a living work on every edge, from Tràng to BC's light. DH Garden Center shines so bright, where every part is made with care, a piece of art beyond compare. Let beauty grow where culture lives. Let every plant a story give. More than clay, it's heritage, a living work on every edge, from Tràng to BC's light. DH Garden Center shines so bright, where every part is made with care, a piece of art beyond